My name is Harish and I lead platforms and community at AngelHack.
My name is Jackie and I lead products in AngelHack. I like to win.
I was scared.
Okay.
I have one perspective. I had this hackathon where we had like 600 registrations. 6 people showed up to the actual hackathon. I cannot forget that hackathon ever in my life. It was a social good hackathon, yeah. That's the sad part. People want more money. I think finding a common ground within both of these will always make it work, at least for me as a participant. If there is good prize money and also good incentive to actually contribute to the cause.
So there was a social good hackathon, a design-based hackathon where the participants, tried to come up with ideas to help the people who are underprivileged. Like for example, people who are physically disabled, people who are visually impaired, so on and so forth. For myself, to do research for the app, I voluntarily spent 2 weeks in a wheelchair. That was memorable because even small inclines can actually lead to very tough time going upslope. And ever since then, I've been a lot more conscious of the places we go to.
It's hard to find participants like him, yeah.
I like playing video games in my free time.
Photography is my favorite hobby. I like clicking pictures.
You like what?
Clicking! No, I'm licking. Oh, clicking.
Clicking pictures.
I heard licking then.
Licking pictures.
NANI?
I may be a teacher because I like teaching. Yeah.
A journalist, a video game journalist.
Oh. Wow.
Review games. Okay, I can turn my eye from single fold to double fold. So single fold, right?
Such a useless skill.
It's a hidden talent. In fact, this is the first time I've told anyone about this. And you all judge me for it.
Any sarcasm?
No, I was gonna say his amazing beard. Honestly, nicest beard.
This was not supposed to be this romantic, just saying.
Yeah, it's aspirational. This is the real deal. This is
Stop jinxing my beard.
Stop jinxing.
Dogs. Python. Java.
Rust.
Android.
Night owl. What?
Night owl. Oh yeah, I forgot. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll just go with that one.
Hackathons are not for developers only, okay? So if you are not a developer, that's okay. Sign up for one right now and experience what it is to be in a hackathon. AngelHack hackathon.